Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're checking out this 65W charger compatible with Microsoft Surface devices. And if you own a Surface Pro, Surface Laptop, Surface Book, or Surface Go, this could be the perfect replacement or backup power adapter for you. One of the biggest advantages here is the wide compatibility. It supports Surface Pro 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 series and older models, plus Surface laptops, books, and Go tablets, while also working with 44W and 36W devices. That means you can use one charger across multiple devices without worrying about performance issues. The 65W fast charging output delivers stable and efficient power, so your device charges quickly while maintaining battery health. The magnetic connector makes it super convenient to attach, and it also helps protect your charging port from damage if the cable gets pulled accidentally. You also get a smart LED indicator to show charging status instantly, and the extra long 10-foot cable gives you plenty of flexibility whether you're working at a desk, relaxing on the couch, or traveling. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable alternative to the original charger, this one definitely delivers great value and performance. Click the link below for the best price, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews.